traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind, but maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I'd never let you go. If I took you for a top-down drive, just you and me and an empty road, maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back in, baby, go, go, go. Oh, I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I'd never let you go. Oh, I wish I'd never let you go. I wish I'd never let you go. I know you've been asking about me. If I tried though to take it all back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. Just take me back in your eyes.
Wait. Let me open the light.
Hindi na lang sa akin.
Masasama ka sa video na, sige ka. Makita ka ni Kakang Ipang.
Ay, kakakita.
Diyan ka na ni Bila sa Europe. Ako nito sa Europe.
Sabi dati magkakabitex pa tayo, magtatol pa tayo. Ay, salamat sa Bermosa, thank you Ayala.
Lord!
Hindi naglamang doon. Well, sarap din itong pinili natin.
Oo nga.
Nasaan na? Hindi maganda eh. Alam ba? Ang recorded.
No.
Ay, ito ko to, kasi doon sa dati natin sinama yung matamis.
Honey.
Honey. Lemon pepper.
Lemon,
Oo nga.
Ngayon lang natin ito try. Lemon pepper.
pepper. Sorry. Thank you sa brainstorming. Ayaw pa tayo
Hindi ko rin kasi alam yung iba. Yung mga kakaiba na. Ito may idea ka kung anong lasa.
Steak, ano yan eh? Steak bed.
Christmas lights and shining trees, but there's a greater gift we need. Not wrapped in paper, gold or lace, the love we give, a warm embrace. While hearts are full and homes are bright, let's share the joy, let's be the light. For those who have less than we do, the lonely, the lost, the broken too. So let's give more than gifts this Christmas, more than boxes tied in bows. Let's be hope for the weary-hearted, love for those who feel alone. For every child without a mother, every soul without a home. This Christmas, let's remember to make love and kindness known. God showed us love and how to give by sending Christ that we might live. Not in riches, power, or fame, but through the peace that bears His name. If He could give His Son for us, then surely we can learn to trust that every gift we give away returns us joy on Christmas Day. For the orphan child, the hungry hand will be their shelter where they stand.
Guys, good morning! Ano na? Friday na. And oras na natin ay 4:53 ng umaga. Maaga tayong gumising kasi ngayon yung biyahe natin pa Baguio. Supposedly kahapon, pero cold din pala yung sasakyan kahapon. So, alis na kami as soon as possible. And then, balak namin mag-breakfast sa Jollibee. Somewhere sa NLEX. So, prepare ko lang yung aking mga dadalhin. Meron ako ditong backpack. Ayan. Sorry, gulo pa ng buhok ko. Magdadala kami ng maleta. Dito yung mga ibang pasalubong. Ayan. Yung black. Pero dadalhin na yan ni Ed pabalik. Since may sasakyan. Tapos, itong backpack. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko kapag magko-commute na pabalik. Iwan ko na yung tote bag ko na red. Ito na lang. And ito, sinilin ko ng aking sling bag. Anyway, ito pala yung suot ko. Yan, naka-sweater na ako. And then, pants lang. Tapos ano na lang ako, sandals. Natamad na ako magsapatos. Sa sasakyan lang naman tayo. So, hindi na ako mag-shoes. Pero dadalhin ko siya. Sakay ko na lang sa sasakyan. Dito, naisip mo tulog dito. Nakatulog lang, tulog mo. Hindi ko kayang bumuli. Pwede na tayo.
Ay, andito.
Ito na.
I think so.
Okay. Nakarabit niya.
Oh, sakay na guys.
Sakay na, Ben.
Sakay na.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po, Nay. Bye-bye.
Dito ka lang.
Magbabait.
Mag-aaway yung dalawa.
Naku. Tingnan natin kung naiwan yung saksak ng charger niya.
Hindi, nahugot ko yun. Ay, pinatay mo yung AC?
Oo.
Okay.
Okay ka na, Ward?
I wonder if I changed my number. Would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk, but we don't. We spent summer swimming in a sunset haze. Technicolor, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine.
Nag-stop muna kami dito guys sa ano. Sa ano pala kami? Marilao ata to. Nag-CR sa Edward. Sakto, may Jollibee din. Ayan o, madami naman. So, mag-breakfast na rin siguro kami. Nagkape na kami kanina sa bahay. Pero ano lang, konting coffee lang, tas konting donut.
Longganisa, hotdog. Breakfast steak. Steak na lang kaya ako.
O, ito.
Mga naiwan na.
Ay, wala pala itong mga ketchup.
Oh, my God. Yan na plastic.
Wala.
Hindi ko nakalimutan lang. May trip ka.
Wala na pala yung Shanghai na yun.
Ayun lang din ang gusto ko sa
Yun
Jollibee
yung
dati.
iniisip ko. Akala ko meron.
Wala na. Alam ko na sinend yun sa Facebook ni Nani. Discontinue.
Bakit kaya?
Kita nga so.
Tingin ko madaming pabagyo din.
Oh, wala na pasok.
Weekend pa bukas.
Kaya gusto kong ma-experience niya na bet eh. Kaso si inay kasi.
Ayaw niyang magpabagyo. Ay.
Kita mo
Mas
na.
maayos yung sa Marcos, sa Canon kasi tayo dumaan last time eh.
Kung alam kong ganun yung Canon, hindi ko siya idadaan doon. Na-trauma.
Tapos
tuloy.
nataon pang maulan.
Maulan nun. Kung sakaling wala si inay, pipilitin ko yun si Beth. Kasi 2 days lang naman eh.
Bukas, inalim ko.
At least na-experience niya Baguio. Dati nung high school, college ako, gusto ko mag-Baguio kaso ang hirap bumiyahe. Pero sa tingin ko kung hindi ka taga Baguio lang, hindi rin ako magpupunta ng Baguio.
Once lang siguro. Masabi lang na nakapag-Baguio.
Pag ganito kasi marami ng turista, hindi na lumalabas ang mga taga Baguio eh.
Kami nga, hindi nga kami namamasyal eh.
Tayo din naman eh, taga UAE. Kung may napuntahan ni Pen, mas marami pa sa napuntahan natin. Nung turista pa si Pen.
Kahit naman ngayon, sa bagay, para maipasya si Kaylon din kasi.
Basog? Sarap yun. Masarap yung rice.
Oo.
Malambot. Were you okay?
Ano napunta sa akin? Maanghang.
Ay,
Hindi, spicy talaga binili ko.
Sakto
Super
naman.
anghang.
Buti na lang ako float ang binili mo. Kasi kung
Wala tayong
kung
water.
kape yan, hindi may water sa Edward. Bili ka, may
what no?
Mart something sila. Mas-CR mo na ako bago bumiyahe.
Hindi.
Bagyo na ang baba natin.
Ang intense nun, 20 minutes na yun sa akin. Intense siya.
Tapos kinanta ka pa ni Monster 88.
Kaya nga eh.
Handahin na lang.
When the world divides and the lines are drawn, we'll join our hands, you know we'll keep holding on. Every wall will fall, the sun will start to shine. In the darkest times, we'll still see the signs. We're rising up and we're standing tall. We might stumble, we still won't fall. With every challenge, we will find our way. 'Cause every step we take brings a brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find our way. Oh, 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 brighter day. Everybody say, oh, 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 find our way. Oh, 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 brighter day. Underneath the skin, we're all a single race. A tapestry that's woven into place. Hearing different views, we find